Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, let's count number 9. Hi, I am number 9. Now let's sing a rhyme with me. 9 birds fly in the sky, aiming high, reaching the sky. Now sing it again with me. 9 birds fly in the sky, aiming high, reaching the sky. Now students, observe the picture carefully. There are 9 birds flying. And now count the carrot. There are 9 carrots. I hope you like meeting number 9. So students, keep learning and keep drawing. See you soon.